Guys, so right now I'm getting a Resonator delete on the Chevy Cruze. You know, it's a 2012 Chevy Cruze manual, turbo, all that stuff. But also it's getting a muffler delete right now. Right now it's currently getting done, as you guys can hear it. You know, but we can watch the after video right now. So, pretty much the car is ready. The mechanic's gonna go in there, gonna test it out. Check engine light again. So I let go of the gas right now. It's at 3,000 RPMs, and you do kind of like feel it a lot more and hear it a lot more. You kind of feel like the more vibration to it, but overall it sounds pretty nice. And it sounded pretty nice deep tune to it, you know. It didn't sound like a ricer. It sounds pretty good for like a 4-cylinder. This car is a 1.4 turbo 6 manual speed. But yeah, let's go. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more.